Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. It's starting to get chilly outside, and when you live in the country like I do, that means unwanted pests in places they should not be, including my kitchen, garage, shed, and attic. So I'm very excited to show you this rodent and pest repellent from Virine. This was very easy to put together right out of the box. I was able to plug in the cord and watch it scare away all those pesky unwanted visitors. There are 4 different modes that you can choose from. One that's for spiders and insects, another that's for bigger rodents such as mice and squirrels, and a duo mode that takes care of all the unwanted pests, and a test mode. The thing that I personally loved most about this rodent repellent is that I'm not harming any of these creatures. I'm simply deterring them from my living space so that they can happily go live in somebody else's garage. I also love that I can put this in my house and it didn't bother my pets or my children. You can even put it in your bedroom and you can barely hear it. All you can hear is a slight ticking sound, and that's only if you're really up close. It also has a flashing light feature for maximum effectiveness in maybe your garage or your attic. So if you're ready to get rid of the anxiety that comes along with colder weather and unwanted pests, then I suggest you get a few of these ultrasonic rodent repellers from Virine. And that's my point of view.